Welcome to this demo of OfferingTree. OfferingTree is all-in-one business software for yoga teachers and wellness entrepreneurs that can help you with so much. It helps to streamline your business. It helps to manage everything in your business, scheduling, booking, video library, and so much more. And the reason I'm talking about it today is because I highly recommend it. This is the number one software that I recommend to all new or experienced yoga teachers that work with me. By the way, my name is Ashley Hagen, and I'm a yoga teacher, online yoga teacher, and a yoga business coach. I help people with recommendations like this, and I help them get started on the right foot to creating simple systems to then help them do more of what they love. If you want to spend less time at your computer and more time actually teaching, you need OfferingTree. I actually started practicing yoga in 2011. I started with a DVD set, a 10-week video series, and it was absolutely life transforming. I knew even then that eventually I wanted to do the same thing for others. And whether that was teaching on video or teaching in a studio, I had this powerful transformation that I'm sure a lot of you can relate to, that you want to share with others. Now, it was a while before I got comfortable on camera, but a few years later, I took my yoga teacher training, and then a couple years after that, after teaching locally in person, I just started dabbling with making yoga videos. I didn't have the fancy equipment. I didn't have anywhere to sell them. I just thought, if I can't teach a class one day, maybe I can make videos. Fast forward a few more years, I've been teaching for a while, and I actually moved across the country, quit my yoga teaching jobs, and now I needed some form of income, and I knew I could do this if I had the internet, a few pieces of equipment, and my teaching skills. So I set to work to teach yoga on video again. Now, of course, a couple years later, we all know what happened. So then Zoom yoga became a big thing, and I dove headfirst into that as well. So not only am I testing and trying all the new systems and all the new ways of teaching online, but I'm also making a lot of mistakes so that I can share with you what works, what doesn't work, and what I see to be the best way to get out there to teach online. Now, when I was getting started, I was paying a lot for softwares that I probably didn't need. And my hope for you and my goal for you is that you can go from zero, not having any audience, and really knowing what to do, to making $1,000 a month with a software that costs you just close to $20 a month. That's it. But $20 a month can do so much. There are a ton of fancy, expensive softwares out there, and you've probably heard of some of them, but OfferingTree is just as good, if not better, and definitely simpler for those of us as yoga teachers and wellness entrepreneurs for what we need. Who's the right fit for using OfferingTree? Well, let me tell you. First, we've got experienced yoga teachers, like myself. I knew that I wanted to scale my business and grow online so that I could free up my time and do a little bit more and also expand my impact. And number two, for new yoga teachers who know that you want to get out there and start teaching right away, you want to make this a business and you're ready to get going. It's also for small studio owners, maybe one yoga teacher teams who have small studios or a home-based studio who could benefit from this software. And also it's for wellness coaches and wellness entrepreneurs who need to book appointments, need to have scheduling, want to host webinars, and do all the things, but they still want to save time on the admin side. Now, OfferingTree can also be used for yoga studio owners, but this demo is going to be more about the solo entrepreneur. So if you want to talk to someone at OfferingTree about using OfferingTree for your yoga studio needs, your bigger studio needs, please go ahead and contact them and book a call with them to talk about it. But for now, let's continue with the solo entrepreneurs. Let me tell you something. Come here a little closer. So I've been working with OfferingTree to put together something really exciting, a zero risk bonus to give you everything that you need to succeed with using OfferingTree and also with putting yourself online as an online yoga teacher, online wellness coach. You can have this whether you're new to online teaching or you're an experienced online yoga teacher looking for a way to streamline the process and all the business systems. Now, if you're still with me, I want you to close your eyes for a moment. Yeah, close them. Imagine what the perfect life would be like. Now, as a yoga teacher, what would that look like? Maybe it's time freedom. Maybe it's teaching just a couple classes, but filling them to the max. Maybe it's working one-on-one with your dream students. Whatever it is, we can make that dream more of a reality if we put some systems in place. If you're not ready yet to show up on video, that's okay. In 2018, I wasn't either. And I actually made a PDF ebook that I sold online on a simple digital sales site for $27. Now that ebook sold 500 copies and generated me over $7,000 of income and gave me the confidence and courage to continue to put myself out there. At the time, I wish I would have had something like OfferingTree where I could host this ebook for sale, but I didn't. But you have that option now. You can use OfferingTree to sell digital products like ebooks, PDFs, checklists, guides, manuals, and anything else, including videos and courses. Now, the main reason that I switched to OfferingTree in September 2021 is because I was already hosting a free Zoom class, and I didn't have the option for anyone to pay me. But do you know what started happening? My students started sending me gift cards in the mail. I got checks in the mail. People were asking me for my physical address. I knew there had to be a better way. With OfferingTree, I now have the option to have donations for my classes, or people can pay what they want or pay what they can. And I can also have different tiered options for each class. So I currently make, $200, $300 a month just by having the option for someone to buy me a coffee for $5. Now, a lot of people still join for free, but the option is there for them to support me if they want to. And this is amazing. So I love this option, and it's the main reason that I switched over to OfferingTree initially. But it's not just scheduling and booking software. You can schedule appointments, you can schedule group classes, you can host memberships and packages, sure, but you can also sell online courses, ebooks like I talked about earlier. You can sell your video library. Everything can be housed here, so it doesn't have to be elsewhere. And with OfferingTree, you can decide to use OfferingTree as your main website. I do that frequently. Or you can easily integrate it to your current website. So you get so many options. You get options, but it's still super simple. A lot of other yoga teachers I've talked to who are currently using OfferingTree love it because they work with older populations, 55 plus senior communities, and they tell me how easy it is for their students to register and how appreciative their students are because of the ease. It's mobile friendly so that if you're on a phone, it looks great. It's easy to register, a couple clicks here and there, easy to navigate, and everything's just so clean and simple. So here's the truth. You do not need 5 or 6 different softwares to run a successful and thriving yoga business. I'm going to do some math for you just so you can see what I was paying in the past versus what you could be paying. So I had a course platform. It was $39 a month. They also took a transaction fee, and I was limited in what I could do. I had an email management software that was $29 a month, but it was limited to 1,000 subscribers. I was paying for a digital store platform to host my ebook, $10 a month, but I was limited to 5 products. I was paying for a separate scheduling software, which was $15 a month, but I couldn't host subscriptions or memberships without paying more. And also I had my own self-hosted website, which was maybe $15 to $20 a month, just if I were to break it down, and a total of $113 a month for the bare minimum and the basics of every software I was using. Now, $113 a month is not that bad for running a business. But the thing is, OfferingTree has capabilities to do all of those things, and there are no limits to the number of subscribers or how many store items or videos that you can upload. You could have a list of 10,000 people and still be paying the same rate. So how much is OfferingTree? You get 2 options. You've got the Essentials version or the Pro version, and I'll walk you through the differences. So the Essentials version is $29 per month or $22 per month if you pay annually, and the Pro version is $59 per month or $49 if you pay annually. So the difference between the two, the main difference is that on the Essentials plan, $29 a month, you will also incur a 1.9% transaction fee. And it's not something they try to hide. It's not something they're sneaking in there. It's just something that they add to keep that low rate. And I did the math. You'd have to make $1,578.95 to make up the $30 difference between the two plans. So if you're making at least $1,500 a month transactions through OfferingTree, then go with the Pro plan. If you're not quite there yet, you might choose the Essentials. The other difference is that the OfferingTree branding will be taken off. So the logo at the bottom of your website can be taken off with a Pro plan. And as a Pro plan client, you can also collect phone numbers so that you can text your clients. Those are the main differences, but it's up to you. You can look into some of those other differences as you go into the pricing. And I'm on the Pro plan personally, if that makes a difference, and I'm very happy with it. Today we have a special package for you. If you get started today, you can get 3 months free if you choose the annual plan. You'll also get my Intro to OfferingTree mini course to guarantee that you're successful right away. Welcome to the OfferingTree Intro course for all new users. I know there are plenty of things that I wish I would have known, which is why I worked with OfferingTree to make this special course just for you and all new users. So as a bonus, you are going to get the Intro to OfferingTree mini course, and you'll actually get this whether you sign up for the monthly plan or the annual plan. It just ensures that all new users can be successful with this software right away. Next, if you decide to sign up for an annual plan, you're going to get my latest and greatest guide. It's the ultimate guide to teaching yoga online to go from $0 to $1,000 per month with confidence. This guide is going to walk you through 8 different ways that you can teach yoga online. You're going to learn multiple ways that you can earn $1,000 a month. You'll get top tips for teaching online through video, plus some tech tutorials and tips for choosing the best equipment. I know what it's like to be a yoga teacher struggling to make ends meet. It was 2018 when I began teaching online because I didn't have a studio to teach at, and I had just found out I was pregnant and I was $10,000 in debt from moving. So I didn't have a lot, but what I had was some basic equipment and the internet and the skills to teach. And if you're watching this right now, it's likely you have those things too. You can also do this. You can also teach yoga or share yoga in your own way, online, offline, with some simple systems. So make it easy on yourself and make it affordable by using your time wisely, investing in the systems that are going to help you move forward and not keep you stuck. To make this even better, there is 0 risk to trying OfferingTree. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee. So that means you can try out OfferingTree for 30 whole days, build your website, put your classes up, try it out, go through my intro course, and then see if it's the right fit for you. And if it's not, just send OfferingTree an email and tell them you want to cancel. No big deal. And of course, yes, you can keep your bonuses. OfferingTree might be just what you need to help your yoga business grow. I know it's helped me in so many ways with my Zoom yoga classes, on-demand videos, and my online courses, and it can do the same for you. If you are ready to sign up, go ahead and click the button around this video so that you can get started today. If you sign up for the annual plan, you'll also get my ultimate guide to teaching yoga online. And whether you sign up for monthly or annual, you will then see me in the Intro to OfferingTree mini course that will help guide you through your next steps.